Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we are going to add a sound indicator to the BMS charging module. When the battery becomes fully charged, then the buzzer will sound. You only require 3 components for this: BC557 PNP transistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor and a 5 volt or 3 to 12 volt buzzer. This is TP4056 1 ampere charging module. This has 2 LEDs, blue and red. I will show you by connecting the charging cable. Since there is no battery connected, blue will light up. When the battery becomes fully charged, then the blue LED will light up. We are actually taking the input for the buzzer from the blue LED terminals. I do not have a 5 volt buzzer with me, but I have a 3 to 12 volt buzzer, so I used that here. The LED is wired using cathode switching, which means the negative line is switching. This is red LED, this is blue LED, and this is positive and this is negative. This is BC557 PNP transistor. This is collector, base and emitter. I have connected the components. Input positive I have connected to the emitter of the transistor. You can see this is the emitter line. Please subscribe to my channel for getting videos like this, and also please share this to your friends. The gray wire is buzzer positive and white wire is buzzer negative. You know, buzzer has a polarity. If you like our video, please click like button. Let's wait for some time for the battery to be fully charged. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.